What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online, and I'm really excited for this one today because there is a brand new product that's just come to the market. It's blowing up, it's trending, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with this. It's brand new and you're going to get all the resources that you need. You don't need your own website and you can be a complete beginner to do this. And make sure you stay to the end so you understand exactly how this works and you understand how you can make money with this, because if you don't, you're going to have a hard time understanding how this works. Now I'm going to take you through step by step how to do this, guys, so you can make money. So make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap the little notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Let's jump straight into this one, guys. I want to show you how to make money with this new product because it's blowing up right now and there's a lot of people making a lot of money with this. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to a website called cbengine.com, okay? And we're going to check out the product and kind of just see, make sure it's still selling and stuff. Now what this is this is a product that takes all of the top Clickbank products that are making a lot of money right now. So what you want to do is click on CB Top Gravity, and it's going to give you all the products with the biggest gravity right now. And what gravity means is how many people have made a sale with this product in the last 30 days. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a website where there's products and we can actually promote those for a commission. So we can get like a 50% commission, 75% commission, but this product that we're gonna be talking about, they're paying out a 90% commission. I think it's over 95% or bang on 95% commission for promoting this product. Now, this is the product here, guys. It's called the Overnight Millionaire System. And all the information is here. It's just, oh, look, there we go. Oh, commission is 75% and referred commissions are 95%. And they also have recurring commissions as well inside this platform. Now, if I go to the website, this is the product right here, okay? It's a product about mindset, making money online and stuff like that, and it's $37. Now, I'm signed into my Clickbank account here, my test one, and we can see that the average sale is $27. Now, the best part about this product, guys, is they give you all the resources you need to make money. So the first step is just to go to the cbengine.com website, make sure it's still kind of in the top 10 for gravity, and then you want to go to clickbank.com and create an account. Now, every time I do a video, guys, on Clickbank, a lot of people say, I don't know how to sign up, I don't know what to do. Just go to Google and type in how to sign up to Clickbank, and they literally have a full tutorial step by step on how you can sign up to Clickbank and become an affiliate marketer and start getting commissions. Once you've signed up, guys, you want to go and click on the marketplace. And once you click on the marketplace, you want to put Overnight Millionaire in the search bar and click search. And what that's going to do is bring up the Overnight Millionaire system. Now, there's a couple of things we want to do. Before we start promoting this, I want to show you some awesome stuff. So first, click on the affiliate page, okay? And the affiliate page is going to pop up. And then click on the yes, I want to earn cash. Put in your information, email, and then go to the next page. On the next page, guys, I know his ads and stuff very well. I've seen him around for a long time. He's made millions of dollars online, but he literally gives you all the email swipes. So let's just see what he's given us here. So these are all the emails that you can use. We're not going to use it in this video, but more importantly, guys, he gives you all of the ads that you can use. So this is literally a plug and play system. If you go down and click on this, get access to all the videos, it's going to give you access to this document, and there's all of these videos you can use to go and make money with this method and run ads. So let me show you exactly how you can do this, guys, to go out and make money. It's really, really simple. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure you are on this page here and you have access to the Facebook videos, okay? And you've signed up to Clickbank and all that sort of stuff. And I'm going to show you how to promote this and make the money. The next step is you want to go to Facebook and make sure you have an ad account, okay? We are going to be running ads for this because he's given us all the information that we need to run the ads, and we can go and make money and make a profit with this strategy. Now, guys, if you don't know how to get to your Facebook ad account, it's very simple. Just go to Facebook and then go up to create and then go to ads, advertise your business. But first you might need to create a page. That's simple. Just go to page and simply create a page. It could be based on anything, really. So what you want to do next is go into the ad account and you want to go to create ads. And what we want to do is just create a simple traffic ad, okay? So click on traffic. That's all we're doing. We're going to be sending traffic to these links, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can take this to the next level and do this another way and make a lot of money as well. So then I want to go to continue, and I want to name my ad. I'm just going to name this Overnight Millionaire. Now, guys, you need to understand that running ads and stuff is like really one of the best ways to make money, because you can scale it, right? Once you become profitable, you can simply scale it to hundreds and thousands of dollars. I do millions a year with ads. I do hundreds and thousands a month with advertising. It's one of the best ways to make money online. So don't get scared with ads, guys, to be like, oh, I need to spend money and stuff. Yes, you do need to spend a little bit of money, but if you're profitable, you're not losing money, you're making money. So it's okay to spend money to make money. So don't get discouraged by ads, guys. You will need to run them eventually if you want to make real money online fast and you want to scale, okay? This is one of the best ways to scale. You can go and use all the free traffic methods in the world, but it's very hard to scale with free traffic. It's extremely hard to scale with free traffic. It's very slow. Now, but if you do want to do some free traffic methods, guys, I have lots of videos on my channel about how you can do that. So first of all, you want to go down and pick your countries. So we're going to do what we call the 5 stack. Let me fill that out and I'll come back and explain to you what that is. All right, guys, so the first step is you need to put in some locations that you're going to advertise to. The best ones to make the best money is called the 5 stack, okay? So what that means is we've got United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. The 5 stack, the top most profitable countries on Facebook advertising. Once you've done that, you can go down to your demographics. I recommend something like 20 years old to maybe 45 for this particular niche. And then gender, just leave it on all, men and women. It's not really going to make a difference. This particular product is going to be of interest to both of those genders. Now, as we scroll down, this is called the detailed targeting. It's probably the most important part because we want to advertise to people who are interested in what this product is about. So what this product is essentially about, guys, is kind of self-help, mind hacks, make money online, all that sort of stuff, and affiliate marketing, I think. But what I would recommend you do is just keep it simple and broad. So you can go and target things like self-help, which is 13 million people. Okay, so we've got self-help that we can target. And don't worry about the potential reach, guys. Sometimes it's actually not that accurate, but you know, if it doesn't show anything, it doesn't really matter too much. The ads will still run. We've got self-help. Entrepreneurship is another one, which will bring it up to 57 million. So you could just do that if you like. You could do affiliate marketing, but essentially what this product is about is entrepreneurship and self-help. Okay, so we'll just put those two interests in. So we want to go and run this guy's ads to self-help and entrepreneurship, and we're going to go and get a commission for doing this. Now let's scroll down and let's go to edit placements. This is quite important as well because you don't want your ads running on placements that are not going to make you money and where they're not supposed to be. So leave it on all devices. You want to untick audience network. You don't want to run ads on that. You want to take away Facebook video feeds. You want to take away Facebook right column. You want to take away Instagram Explore. Leave on Instagram feed, Instagram newsfeed. I actually take off Instagram feed for this one because we're going to be doing a video that's not right for that. So leave on Facebook feed, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook inbox is fine. Take off stories, take off in-stream, and in-article is fine, okay? These are the ones that you want to have, especially if you're a beginner. They're the ones that are going to work the best for you. So just copy what I've done here. Now the next step, guys, is to go down and do your budget. So I would recommend us doing something like $10 per day. Remember that you're gonna make money back. Like, you're not just gonna, a lot of people seem to think that spending money on ads, you don't get any money back and it's not profitable. No, you're gonna get money. So you're gonna make this profitable eventually. So spending money, guys, to make money is not a bad thing. So just put in $10 per day. It's probably the most you want to put in. You don't want to put in $5. You don't want to put in a couple of bucks. You want to put in at least $10 or more to make this work, because the make money online niche is a little bit more expensive than most other niches. And then I'm going to go to continue. Now, what you want to do, guys, is pick an advert that he's got, okay? And he gives you like all the Facebook copy and stuff as well. But just go and pick an advert. There's lots of videos here. I've already downloaded one that we can use for this. What you want to do next is, once you've hit continue, is go and select the page. So in the drop-down menu, go and find the page that you created. If you haven't created one yet, you can hit create a Facebook page here, okay? Nice and simple. And you can also name the ad up here, but I'm not gonna do that. Now what we're going to do here, guys, is go add media. And I'm going to add a video that I already have. So I'm going to go to upload video. I'm going to go to downloads, and I'm going to upload the video. It should be really quick, guys, because my internet is insanely fast. And it should upload pretty much instantly for us. But let's scroll down, and here we go. We can click on this video, and it's literally right there. You don't need to have your own videos or anything like that, which is, you know, a big roadblock for people. This guy has done it all for you. Now the next step is to put in some ad copy. So this ad copy here, I actually got it from one of his ads, which is right here. And he also gives you some ad copy as well. But this is one that we're going to use for this example. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it into here where it says primary text, okay? And as you can see, now it's in there. Now the next step is to actually create a link. We want to create a link for our affiliate link. So what you want to do is go back to Clickbank, and you want to click on promote. When the promote tab comes up, you want to go generate hop link. And this is your affiliate link right here. Copy that link and then go and find a free URL shortener online. This one is called cutly.com or cut.ly. And I'm going to basically paste this in here and click shorten, and it's going to give me a link that I can use. Okay, once this is shortened, which it has right here, I'm going to copy this. Now I can place this into my ads, okay? Now, I do want to kind of mention a few things here, and I'm going to explain to you how to get around this at the end of this video. Sometimes Facebook won't let affiliate links be approved for ads. It's really kind of a 50-50. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but I'll show you how to fix that in a second. But if you just put it in here, I'm going to go get started here, and I'm going to paste the link. And then you also want to put the link in the URL section down there. And then you can also do like a headline and stuff like that. So his headline, he doesn't actually have a headline on his ad, but I'm just going to put something here. All right, guys, so what I've done is I put free mindset training starts today, and you can see that it's showing up at the bottom of the ad here. And then we can also change the call to action, which is this little button down here, by going call to action, and we can put in download, get offer, get show times, learn more. I recommend just leaving it on learn more. That's really the best one for the strategy. Or you can do watch more if you like, or apply now is a good one, but we'll just leave it on learn more. And then all you got to do then is literally go and click continue, and you can start running ads to this guy's product, and you'll make affiliate marketing commissions. And he's literally given you everything, guys. You don't need to create ads for this. You don't need to create anything. He's given you everything you need. But what happens if you get disapproved on Facebook and your ads won't run? Well, what you want to do, guys, is you want to then create a bridge page, okay? So what you would then do is you would create a free offer, and you can just go on the internet, go to Google and put in PLR offers, and you can get books for free that you can use. You're licensed to use them, and you give them away for free. And you create what we call a bridge page. Then on that bridge page, you send people to the offer. So what I'm going to do, guys, in this video is I'm going to leave a link below that you can click right now that'll show you how to actually go and create a bridge page, collect an email, and set this up a more advanced way if you like. Or you can actually click on the screen right now, guys. I'll leave that video up on the right. You can go and click it right now, and it'll show you exactly how to go and build a bridge page and a funnel so you can collect emails and make even more money with this strategy. And also leave an affiliate marketing playlist that you can check out. If you click that, it's a complete free affiliate marketing training. They'll show you step by step how to make even more money on Clickbank. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys. Smash the like on this video, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.